Do you need manual driving lessons? Idrivesafety have a manual driver training system developed by truck drivers and tradies that guarantees you will learn to drive a manual in just 5 hours. With a long and successful history training manual drivers across the Greater Geelong region, the proof is our past clients. Our coaches are not only Australia's highest trained, but are manual drivers themselves with a combined 3 million kilometres in manuals and over 15,000 clients trained. Idrivesafety offer a significantly different, highly empowering driver education system that is completely different to the old, antiquated, disabling instructional system delivered by someone who is not an experienced manual driver, trying to teach without any system process that is transferable in any manual vehicle. What makes Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system so effective and different? Manual gear changing and clutch use is just a process that detailed in our curriculum modules, 13 Level 1 and 14 Level 2. Hill starts are easy when you have a proven process that works under pressure. Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system was researched and developed globally to be delivered locally. The results are literally life-changing. Delivered by Australia's highest trained driving coaches. Delivery methodology tailored to each client's learning style. Delivered in a structured pedagogical curriculum, delivered as a graduated education system. If you would like to discuss how Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system can get you driving a manual in just 5 hours, give us a call on 1800 956 999 or email info@idrivesafety.com.au.